A Google account is key for Android devices. It's needed for the Play Store, syncing contacts, emails, and files. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly add a Google account to your Android. Part 1. What makes a Google account a must-have? Gmail email, Drive storage, Docs or Sheets or Slides work, Photos backup, Android sync, YouTube watch upload, Calendar schedule, Maps navigation, Play Store apps, Sync bookmarks passwords, Security to FA, Meet, Keep, News, Schola. Part 2. How to have your own Google account. Google sign up, create account, enter name, username, password, add phone or recovery email optional, enter birthday and gender, agree to terms, verify, start using. Part 3. How to add Google account on Android. Open settings and go to accounts or accounts and backup users and accounts. Scroll down and tap add account. Select Google to start adding your account.